Do I need to hire an injury attorney? The answer is yes. If you've been seriously injured, you need to hire an injury attorney. Why? Well, there's 3 reasons. Study after study shows that people who have been injured get paid more when they have an attorney representing them. Number 2, studies also show that the vast majority of people who have been paid on bodily injury claims have had an attorney fighting for them. And number 3, studies also show that medical expenses get paid more often when an attorney is representing an injured person. So the value of an injury attorney is obvious to the injured person, but why does having an attorney make things so much better for the injured person? There's a couple of different reasons. Number 1, experienced injury attorneys know and can deal with the tricks of the insurance company. Oh, here's a quick settlement offer. We'll give you $1,000 and we'll pay some medical treatment, but just sign on the dotted line. That's a scam. Don't fall for it. Well, sir, you were approaching the red light, but you kind of stopped your brakes kind of hard. So the person behind you, they hit you from behind, but you're kind of at fault. That's stupid. Don't fall for that. Downplaying injuries. At the emergency room, you said your back hurt, but 2 weeks later, you said your arm hurts. We don't really think those are related. That's stupid and nonsense. Another dirty insurance company trick. Arguing over medical treatment. Well, most of the people, when they have a back injury and a crash, they're better after 3 months, but here we are 5 months later, so we don't think it's related. That's stupid and nonsense. Don't fall for that. And the last one for these insurance company tricks, and there's a bunch more too, but the ones I see most often, the pre-existing condition. Well, you did go to the doctor a year before saying your back was achy, so, you really can't complain that the accident caused back pain. That's stupid and nonsense. Take the victim as they are. Don't fall for these insurance company tricks. Attorneys see these and we know how to deal with them and we know they're nonsense, so we don't actually let them get bogged down. The second reason having an attorney helps increase the value of an injury claim is because attorneys keep tabs on local and national trends on cases. What's the value of a broken arm? What's the value of back pain? What's the value of a sore neck? The best attorneys keep track of verdicts and settlements. They also keep track of national trends and local trends. And even if you're thinking to myself, well, I don't want to go to jury trial. Why do I care what a jury says a broken arm is worth? Because the third reason why attorneys get their clients paid more is because insurance companies know that the threat of a lawsuit and actually going to trial will throw their fancy algorithms into a tailspin, and they can't account for the human factor of these injuries and verdicts. And so there's value to the insurance company and not going to trial. Now, not going to trial doesn't really matter if you've got a silly attorney who doesn't know what they're doing or doesn't actually do these regularly. But when you have an experienced attorney that puts a little fear into the insurance company, especially if that attorney is regularly going to trial and getting verdicts on behalf of their clients. Because doing jury trials is an art and skill, and you have to practice that art and skill to be good at it. So do you need an injury attorney? The answer is yes. If you've been seriously injured, you need an attorney advocating for you and fighting back against the insurance company. Attorneys who represent injured parties don't charge anything up front. There's no cost to giving us a call and chatting about what's going on. And we understand that people who are dealing with car crashes, slip and falls, dog bites, we understand this is not fun and it's a frustrating situation. Allow the Marc Lopez Law firm to turn that frustration into compensation. Give us a call, 317-632-3642.